everyone, my name is Elizabeth, I'm a marine biologist, and today is a very exciting video because you are going to find out exactly why my channel is called Marine Mumbles. Any guesses where we are? This is Mumbles! So I went and did my degree in marine biology here at Swansea University, and Swansea is in the south of Wales and it is a gorgeous place full of amazing beaches, and actually Swansea itself is a big giant bay. It actually has one of the largest tidal ranges in the entire world. I think it's the second largest tidal range, which means not only is it this gorgeous bay where you can see the lovely sea, but the sea goes out, and for someone who loves rock pooling, that is incredible. And in Swansea Bay, there's, at the end of it all, is this amazing rock formation and lighthouse called Mumbles, and you can see it throughout the whole of basically Swansea. And so I'm doing my undergrad in Swansea and I'm walking from my accommodation where I'm living all the way along the lovely beach, as I would, to our building called Wallace, which is really close to the beach on Singleton campus. And I'm doing this all the time, going there for lectures, going there for all my experiments, going off to do fieldwork and all this jazz. And it's my last year, and I really want to find a way to share all the exciting knowledge that I'm learning. Like, I'm learning so much awesome stuff. And I also wanted to find a way to chill out a bit. And I always really love painting. So I thought, why don't I do scientific art? Why don't I paint the awesome stuff that I'm learning and do a blog about it? So I wanted to start a website. And I'm walking along one day and I just look over and I think, Marine Mumbles. It just pops in my head and I write it down in my notebook. And this kind of worked for a couple of reasons. One, because I'm so connected to Mumbles. It's a great place to come rock pooling. It's a great place to like get to the sea. There's a lovely pier. It's just a gorgeous place to hang out with. And it's so Swansea and so representing like where I was learning and giving like an ode to that. Oh, I'm actually interjecting here because there's something else I forgot to say. I actually thought with the name Marine Mumbles that I could set it up because it would be like, oh, Elizabeth goes around, she's mumbling about marine life. She's just like continuously mumbling about it. Which I actually find really funny now because I pretty much have done the opposite of that, and I have in no way mumbled about sea life and have just shouted it literally from the street in many occasions about the awesomeness of the seas. So I like that there's just this contradiction between, she could be mumbling about it, but she has decided to just full on shout about it. And that's what I love. But also, it's going to remind me to do it. Every time I'm going to be walking along to uni, I'm going to see Mumbles and I'm going to think, I need to do some more painting, I need to share some more stuff. It's just going to act as that like inspiring thing. And it absolutely has. Even when I've moved away, I've kept the name Marine Mumbles because it means so much to me. To me, it totally just represents that excitedness of learning all these incredible facts for the very first time. And that excitement has only grown. I just feel so emotional and so happy because looking at this incredible bit of rock with a lot of barnacles on, for me it's always just been that like beacon, that lighthouse inspiration of just how do I keep sharing what I love to share and what I think is so important to share. And so being back here today and getting to like talk about how I was here 10 years ago, 10 whole years ago doing my undergraduate, and how that has led to a completely life-changing thing for me. It has been one of the best decisions ever to do that website and follow this science communication career and now come back to Swansea Uni. And the reason I'm actually back here was to give a talk to my old lecturers and to other lecturers in the university about the importance of teaching those communication skills for graduate employability, and sharing my story about how when I was here I learned all these extra skills and how that should be put in degree courses because that would be awesome for people to learn and not have to do it kind of on the side like I did. It's just been such a full circle trip and I'm so happy to be back, and I'm just so happy and more inspired to be here at Mumbles again, and I want to see what happens in the next 10 years again and see where I am then. Oh, how incredible will that be?